Welcome to Nash Distribution, the one-stop shop for crawlspace, basement, and foundation repair contractors. Join us as we walk you through a few highlights of our website. To start, to create an account or log in, click on My Account found on the top right and fill out the form. Use the top navigation to select either the Home, About Us, Our Products, Complete Systems, or Sales Team pages. When you scroll over each page, a box or drop-down menu will appear with additional sub-pages for each section. Let's say you want to learn more about Nash's waterproofing products. Select Waterproofing and notice the site displays only waterproofing products. Through the navigation menu on the left, you can apply more filters to quickly find specific products. As an example, click on Guardian Indoor Waterproofing System. Only Guardian products will appear. The Nash website makes it easy to quickly find and purchase all the products you need for your project through our Complete Systems page. For example, select Guardian Complete Systems. Not only can you see all the elements you'll need for the complete system, but you can download product sheets or even watch a product highlight video. View the items you are purchasing while you add them to your cart. You can also view your cart by clicking the icon at the top or bottom right of the page. Also notice the Checkout button at the bottom of the screen. Once you click on Checkout, you will be directed to fill out your billing and contact details. Make sure to not overlook Ship to a different address if you want your order sent to a customer's address or job site instead of your business address. After filling out the form, there will be two checkboxes at the bottom, Quote and Order. Checking Quote will mean that you are not ready to order just yet, but need a quote. Checking Order means that you have a card on file and you want the final amount for your order. Need to talk to one of our experts? Select the Sales Team page. Contact our sales team if you need recommendations or have specific product or pricing questions. Select your regional salesperson and scan their QR code to get their contact information, or you can fill out the form to send them a message. By selecting My Account, you can view past quotes. Additionally, if you have any order-related questions, easily find the phone icon to call customer support. Our website has been designed precisely for your user experience, making it easy for you to find and purchase the best products for your clients and your business. Nash Distribution. What you need now.